Inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. How to work on this? So if we say inverse, the symbol should be this one, like this. So that is the inverse of any matrix. Example, matrix A. And then if you multiply this inverse of matrix A to the original matrix A, the answer should be an identity matrix. When we say identity matrix, it is in the form of 1, 0, 0, 1. It should be like that for checking purposes. So how to get the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix? We have this given matrix A. 1, 2, 2, 8. Then find the inverse of this one. So first step, you need to get the determinant. Determinant of matrix A. What you need to do is just cross multiply 1, 8, then 2, 2, then subtract the answer. 1 times 8 is 8, minus 2 times 2 is 4. So the determinant of A should be 4. Okay? Then, step 2. Get the adjoint of matrix A. Adjoint. So what you need to do, the original main diagonal, interchange them. Pagpalitin nyo ng pwesto. So instead of 1, 8, it will become 8, 1. And then the other diagonal, yung 2, 2, change the sign. If they are positive, change to negative. If they are negative, change to positive. Nagkataon positive, parehas mo gagawing negative. Ayan. Step 3, now we can get the inverse of matrix A. So how to get the inverse? What you need to do, it has a formula of 1 over determinant of A multiplied by adjoint of A. Just substitution, 1/4 multiplied by 8, negative 2, negative 2, 1. So this 1/4 is a scalar number. What you need to do, distribute this 1/4 to each of the entries of this matrix, adjoint of a matrix. 1/4 times 8. So yun na naman that 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the answer is just 2. And then 1/4 times negative 2. 1/4 times negative 2. Multiply this negative 2 to the numerator. Copy the denominator. So alam naman natin pag negative 2/4, lowest term, madi-divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So negative 1/2. Same lang. Yung given na next entry dito, yung negative 2 na ulit lang. E di ang sagot, same process. 1/4 times negative 2 is negative 1/2. And then 1/4 times 1, I did itself. So this is now the inverse of matrix A. Step 4, let's now do the checking. As I was saying, the original multiplied to its inverse, the result should be an identity matrix. So, dapat ang sagot nyo, 1, 0, 0, 1. Yan. So, ano ba yung original natin? Copy. The original, 1, 2, 2, 8. 1, 2, 2, 8. Multiplied by the inverse, 2, negative 1/2, negative 1/2, 1/4. So, you will apply matrix multiplication. You know matrix multiplication, right? Multiply the first row of the first matrix to each of the column of the second matrix. Distribute. So, as you multiply, 1 times 2 is 2. So, and then 2 times negative 1/2. 2 times negative 1/2. O, makakancel yung 2. Ano matitira? Negative 1. So, minus 1. And then, 1 times negative 1/2 is negative 1/2. And then, 2 times 1/4. So, 2 times 1/4 is 2 times 1 multiplied to the numerator. So, 2/4, lowest term, alam niyo namang 1/2. So positive 1/2. Then next, we need to multiply the second row to each of the columns of the second matrix. So let us distribute first 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Then 8 times negative 1/2 is 8 times negative 1 is negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Yan. Then 2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1. And then 8 times 1/4 is 8 divided by 4 is positive 2. Then solve them. Combine. 2 minus 1 is 1. Negative 1/2 plus 1/2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Ayan, we came up with this identity matrix. That's why our inverse, which what we are looking for, is correct. Given by the answer is this one. This is our inverse. Hope you understood this topic.